Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. Welcome to our first episode. I'm so excited that you're gonna be joining us on this journey. This Week in Beauty is basically just gonna be your destination for all things beauty, which is super duper exciting. We're gonna be talking about new trends, big launches that are coming up in the beauty world, and also just, inspiring figures that motivate us to be better beauty lovers. And also we're gonna be just, enjoying the makeup world as a community of beauty lovers. So I'm really excited. Today for our first episode, we are gonna be talking to the founder of Drybar. I know you guys like those blowouts because I sure do. And we're also gonna be talking to a couple other amazing people like a teenage beauty entrepreneur. We're gonna be going behind the scenes at IPSY Gem Beauty LA and talking to the head hairstylist behind Black Panther's hair designs, which is super duper exciting. But that's not it. We also have a super-sized giveaway that you are definitely not gonna wanna miss, so stay tuned till the end. But first, we are gonna take a look at the buzziest launch of the week. All right, shimmer lovers, we have some huge news for you guys that I think you're gonna love. So we all loved when Fenty Beauty released their 40 shade foundation range. It was honestly pretty legendary. I feel like it just took us all home. Plus, their Stunna lip paint. Okay, I admit that I'm a little bit of a Stunna lip paint addict. I just love the pigmentation and the formula, and the color is everything. Talking about pigmentation, trophy wife, hello. But not only that, Rihanna just released pictures of 2 brand new all over glow products that she's adding to the Fenty Beauty line, which, can we just hear a hallelujah? Because I'm so excited. So she's releasing Body Lava and Fairy Bomb. They're launching tomorrow, Friday, April 6th. I don't know if anybody could be more excited than me, honestly, because I feel like we're just getting into this trend of like this body glitter 90s vibes, but obviously this is like the grown-up version and it's the flawless version. For me, it's always like the more glow, the better, whether I'm talking about highlight on my cheeks, highlight on my body, highlights on like pretty much everywhere around me on my hair. So I'm in love with this trend, not to mention with spring and summer coming up, I feel like that pop of glow all over the body is just gonna be perfect. So how are you guys liking this trend? Are you wearing it? Are you into it? Are you not into it? For This Week in Beauty, we are so into creating this wonderful community of beauty lovers. So we really want to hear from you guys. So definitely leave your comments, questions, and concerns and what you're loving in the comment section. There is nothing better than a fresh blowout, am I right? I feel like whenever I have a blowout, I can just take on the world because my hair looks so good, but it's so hard to give yourself an at-home blowout. I feel like, I definitely have trouble with it, getting the round brush and the hair dryer in the right spots, but luckily we have Drybar founder Alli Webb here to give us some tips.
When your hair looks good, you just feel really good and really confident. Hey guys, I'm Alli Webb, founder of Drybar, and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. My trick for making the back of your hair look as good as the front of your hair is definitely setting up a mirror in your bathroom to see the back of your hair. Or if you don't have that available to you, make sure you have a handheld mirror so you can be checking out the back as you go. I think the #1 mistake most women make when blow drying their hair is moving too fast and working in too big of sections or not sectioning at all. Sectioning is the key. If you put in the time up front and give yourself a great blowout, it'll last you for days. Sleeping on a satin or silk pillowcase really helps preserve your blowout. Cotton pillowcases tend to rough up the hair, where the silk or satin will really help keep your style intact. It's also really good for your skin. Using and keeping a dry shampoo in your hair, even before you go to sleep, the first night after you blow dry your hair, when you go to sleep, you can spray hair maybe 3 inches away from your hair. Just spray it in and then rub it in before you go to sleep, because everybody sweats a little bit when they sleep. So you want to be kind of proactive with your dry shampoo. Okay, my best advice for arm fatigue when you're blow drying your hair is probably just to go to Drybar. If you want to learn more about getting your dream blowout, watch me on IPSY's main event. The link is in the comments below.
Thanks, Alli. I'm definitely gonna have to try out that dry shampoo trick. I feel like I always need more volume, so that's an awesome tip, and hopefully it'll help our blowouts even stay in longer than normal. So do you guys have any secrets for perfecting your at-home blowout or preserving your blowouts that you get done at Drybar or any blowout bars? Let us know in the comment section again, and you know, we might even feature your hack in the weeks to come. From one boss lady to a boss on the rise, we have 18-year-old Sasha Anne, who is the founder of Teeny Wee Cosmetics. She's still in high school, isn't that crazy? And we're gonna see how she manages her side hustle.
Makeup is just my way of expressing myself. Hi IPSY subscribers, good morning. I am Sasha, also known as Sasha Anne on YouTube. Running any company is very different from being a student because no one tells you what to do. You can ask for advice or insights, but in the end it's down to what you want to do. But I am so happy to have found my voice and express myself, not just with my words, but with makeup and my makeup tutorials on YouTube. Welcome to my factory. This is where I label, package, and ship out my glosses. Today I am working on my Teeny Wee red glosses. Beauty, to me, means that it comes from the inside to out. A smile is definitely the most beautiful thing that you can wear, and it's how you show happiness on the outside.
You guys, this is the teeniest tube of lip gloss, but it's so dang cute, and I just feel like it's gonna be perfect to throw in your pocket at music festivals, when you're running errands, or maybe even a beauty convention. Speaking of beauty conventions, we also have IPSY Gen Beauty. It was so much fun to be attending IPSY Gen Beauty LA. I had a great time at my meet and greet, meeting all of you guys, and speaking to brands, seeing new beauty trends all around. And for those of you who didn't get a chance to make it, here's what you missed.
So make sure you guys head on over to the main stage to say hello to all of the IPSY creators.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica and I'm the newest in-house creator at IPSY. I'm so excited to be here at Gen Beauty.
There's so many amazing brands here. I can't wait to see some of the newest trends.
It's really exciting to see so many different types of beauty represented here today.
I love seeing all the people coming out, just all the spirit. It's such a good energy here and I love that.
I'm most excited to be here because there's tons of different brands here and tons of different creators, and I would love to meet some people, some fans, some friends, all that good stuff.
Love all the brands Gen Beauty works with, and I also find like new products all the time.
I get to actually meet people who follow me. I want to know everything about them, so I think that's the most exciting thing for me.
Being able to be with makeup influencers, lovers like myself, it's an amazing feeling.
The thing I'm most excited for at Gen Beauty is actually to see the creativity.
Now that I'm newly expecting, this Gen Beauty is way different than others. I am looking so forward to bringing my future little one to future Gen Beauties.
Didn't that look like so much fun, you guys? So if you weren't able to make it to IPSY Gen Beauty LA, we're also gonna be heading to San Francisco on July 21st and 22nd, and then also New York City later this year, which I'm so excited about because I love New York, so I'm really, really excited to go back. So definitely check out IPSYGenBeauty.com for more info on how to get your tickets. Speaking of things that everybody loves, who else has seen Black Panther? I loved every second of it. I had to see it 2 times because it was so good. I just feel like the storyline was amazing, the acting was incredible, and just the overall cinematography and color grading. I know I'm getting fancy here, but I really loved the whole look of the movie and also the styling, the makeup, the hair. Speaking of the hair, we have Camille Friend, the department head hairstylist for Black Panther, and we want to hear what she has to say.
I'm Camille Friend, and I am a department head hairstylist, and you know my work from all the blockbusters. Black Panther, Captain America, Hunger Games, Dreamgirls. I'm a little girl from Tempe, Arizona. My parents weren't in the business, we weren't rich. I didn't know there was no magic formula. At one point, my car broke down, I was sleeping on my friend's floor. Like, I know what it's like to struggle, but just know you just have to just keep going. You have to just keep pressing. And you know, sometimes it gets really, really hard. Black Panther literally was the greatest opportunity. It was an opportunity to do a movie where you're bringing to the world the first Black superhero, and a movie like you never had a movie about the continent of Africa. So this is something that's never been seen on camera. Finally got the phone call, like it was my movie. I remember like dancing around. I was like, yes, 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 yes. Because I was really, really excited that I got the opportunity to do the movie. When I started thinking about it, I was like, we can just do this movie and do people's hair naturally. And I was just like, why don't we showcase natural hair? So it's something, honestly, that happened organically. A lot of them were surprised. Like, say, you can come to work with your hair just as it is. They're like, are you sure? I'm like, yes. Are you sure? I'm like, yes, you can come this way. I didn't know what it was gonna mean to people. And so it means so much to me to be able to do it and have the opportunity. I'm just so blessed, and it makes me happy. And that's why it makes me cry, because I'm a Black woman and I grew up in a really white environment. So to have an opportunity to do a movie like this and people respond to it, and like little Black girls can look at this movie and know that they can be in this career, or they can do movies, or they literally, it's okay to have natural hair and it's obtainable. All of this is obtainable. So truly, that's why it makes me cry, because that one was really, it really touched my heart. I think especially with Black Panther, what people are seeing on screen, or what people are feeling about embracing their Black hair, is they're actually getting to see themselves. It's about loving yourself. And I think that's the biggest message, is like, when you look at the mirror, you should love yourself with your natural texture, with your natural hair, with your natural eyes, with your natural teeth. We don't need to be augmented.
Thanks, Camille. It's so great to hear how you're inspiring, you know, the younger generation to rock their natural texture and just be who they are, because I think that's so important to teach everybody, and especially our younger generations. But tell us, you guys, what was your favorite Black Panther hairstyle that you saw in the movie, and have you rocked any of the Black Panther inspired hairstyles in real life? We definitely want to see them, so make sure to tag us or let us know in the comment section below. So now we're going to be turning to Creators Corner, and we're going to be kicking it off with Lynette. But Creators Corner is going to be an amazing way for you guys to stay up to date on what our in-house IPSY creators are doing. We're going to be highlighting new projects that our creators are working on. So like I said, we're going to be kicking off with Lynette. So take it away, girl.
What's up, everyone? My husband and I are super excited to announce a new series we've been working on. Can I get a drum roll, please?
I thought you'd never ask. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the beauty
and the beat.
You get it? The beat, beauty.
It looks like our call time is 10 a.m., honey. So, are you gonna be ready to go in like 30 minutes?
For sure, for sure. What should I wear?
Are you joking? It's called Unzipped, honey.
What do you mean?
The whole point is that you're literally wearing nothing almost. So the whole theme is called Unzipped, because they're just kind of like trying to break the norm of like what sexy means to everybody. So that's why they wanted us together.
So they need this bod?
Yeah, they need. Exactly. Are you excited to unzip?
Yeah, I don't have a zipper on these pants though.
No, it's cool. They have like a really diverse group. It's like gonna be really great.
Reimagining sexy. Like Justin Timberlake, you know, he brought sexy back. We're reimagining it though.
Yeah, exactly. We hope that you guys tune in, and we hope that you love it. So make sure to check the description box for the link below, and we'll see you guys over there.
I also have some really big news to announce. I'm so excited to tell you guys that I'm actually the new face of Benefit's Dallas Blush. So I don't know, it was just so surreal to like go into a Sephora and see my face sitting there, but I definitely wanted to let you guys know. So if you see, if you see me out there in the gondola or anything, holla at your girl. For those of you who weren't able to make it to IPSY Gem Beauty LA, we definitely don't want you to miss out. So we're gonna be giving away an IPSY Gem Beauty LA Creator Day gift bag. This is a humongous bag filled with makeup, skincare, hair care, anything that a beauty lover is gonna love. So I wanted to show you guys some of my favorites because I got this bag at our Creator Day cocktail party at IPSY Gem Beauty LA. So some of my favorites, get ready because there's some amazing things in here. We have a full-size Buxom Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which I love these eyeshadow palettes, so I was so excited to see one inside of my creator bag. We have full eyebrow sets. These are all full-size products, and you guys have a chance to win this. And my favorite thing was this MAC Cosmetics little trio. So this has the Prep and Prime lip base, a lip pencil in Boldly Bare, and a matte lipstick in Velvet Teddy, which is incredible. So there are tons of other goodies in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but we have a lot of cool stuff in here for you guys to win. So all you have to do to win is comment something that you want to see on This Week in Beauty, because again, we really want to hear from you guys, and we really just want to create a community for beauty lovers to come and have fun and learn about new trends, fun stuff that's happening, everything like that. So we're going to announce the winner next week. So good luck to everybody who wants to win, because it's going to be one lucky winner, and she or he is a very lucky person. All right, Ipsters, that is all we have for you today. Definitely make sure to come back every Thursday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because we're going to be having lots of fun, so make sure to tune in. Next week, we're going to be actually talking about how to incorporate wine into your beauty routine. Hey, why not? So comment down below with what you want us to cover on This Week in Beauty. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.